First act, Syed Aman Raza! Hello Manchester, good evening. It's so good to be here. I can appreciate your cleavages from this angle. And the people upstairs, I hope you can appreciate my fear of deportation. I was nervous. My wife is upstairs and she was calming me down by saying, darling, don't worry. What happens on the stage, whatever happens on the stage, we're still having sex tonight. So now she has to do it. All of you are witnesses. I guess as an Asian man, my biggest fear is to last less than 30 seconds in my performance. I just made this up. Thank you, wife, for that joke. Anyway, I don't think it's a good day to try new material, sir, because a lot of other people are trying new material, you know, including the British government. They have a new joke. Have you heard of it, sir? It's called Rishi Sunak. He's not a good comedian, but he's getting good laughs lately. I hope I get some tonight as well. Any Liz Truss fans here tonight? Okay, I'm gonna go against it. Because that's the popular narrative. She resigned just after 45 days from prime ministership. What a shame, darling. Not to sound like a misogynist, but a woman on top doesn't last long anyway. At some point, the man has to come on the top to take things in his control. And if it's a brown man, not a good choice because he has a small vision. Told you. I know it's a comedy show, but I need to tell you that I suffer from this rare condition. It's not ADHD, Lou. So I have this condition where I deliver the joke before the punchline. It's called premature joculation. I am from a very happy, friendly, rich country called Pakistan. Don't worry, darling. I'm not here for your jobs. Those are Indians. We just look the same. But deep down, we have more 5-star ratings as Uber drivers. We also make better biryani. Any white people fans of biryani here tonight? Woo! White people love biryani. Of course you do. It has flavor. It's a shame that British people stole spices from India 100 years ago, but forgot to put it in their own food. Sir, what's your name? Lauren. Seriously, jacket potato? Have you ever seen hot cheese melting over a hot potato? It's vulgar. British food lacks real flavor like Pakistan lacks real democracy. We Pakistanis also have the best tea in the world, right? Anybody fan of Pakistani tea? Kadak chai? Woo! Yeah! We love Pakistani tea. We cannot even imagine living in another country without our Pakistani tea. We can live without a visa. But not the tea, guys. You know, it's not easy to do comedy, Luke. It's not easy to do comedy. Give a big cheer for all the comedians here tonight, guys. It's not easy. Not everybody can be comedian. You have to be born with this rare talent. It has to be in your genes. You have to be born with it. That rare quality is called low self-esteem. My self-esteem is so low that if I ever hit my emotional rock bottom, my self-esteem will still be looking up to me. But I've got a solution.
Well done. Nice one, Syed.